This young chimp has discovered a cloud of bees. They're coming from a hole in the tree, and he knows that there could be something sweet in there. But it's well defended. The alpha male knows the kind of bee that doesn't sting. But they live underground, so to get their honey you need a tool. A straight stick should do the job, if it's the right length. A sniff tells him that there is honey down there somewhere. Got it. He found it, and the others will have to wait. Looks nice. Is there enough for two, perhaps? Apparently not. Perhaps he's left some behind. No.